Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Walking past the Wynn, it's impossible to ignore one of the most unusual features on the Strip. A full championship level golf course, sitting right beside some of the busiest resort towers in the city. The Wynn Golf Club occupies a large landscape property directly behind the resort. Its history reflects the vision that shaped the original hotel and the modern redevelopment that followed. The course was first built in 1952 as the Desert Inn Club, one of the earliest golf courses associated with the Las Vegas resort. For decades, it hosted professional tournaments and celebrity events, offering players a desert oasis experience long before the modern mega resorts took shape. When Steve Wynn redeveloped the site into the Wynn and Encore properties, the course was extensively redesigned by Tom Fazio, one of the world's top golf course architects. In 2017, Wynn announced plans to remove the course entirely to make room for a large new development. The land was cleared and reshaped, but plans later changed, and the decision was made to rebuild the golf course instead. Tom Fazio and his son Logan redesigned the modern layout, bringing back 18 holes with updated greens, new water features, and a landscape that blends seamlessly with the surrounding resort. The course reopened in 2019, giving Las Vegas one of the few luxury golf experiences located directly on the Strip itself. The Wynn Golf Club is known for its dramatic finishing hole, a long par 3 played towards a lake backed by a waterfall almost 40 feet tall. The lush fairways, mature trees, and carefully contoured greens create an environment that feels far removed from the desert, despite being only a few steps away from one of the busiest entertainment districts in the world. Beyond the Wynn property, Las Vegas is home to a wide range of golf courses, each offering its own take on the desert landscape. One of the most famous is Shadow Creek, also designed by Tom Fazio. Built in the late 1980s, it was originally an exclusive invitation-only course known for its dramatic elevation changes, waterfalls, and heavily landscaped fairways. It remains one of the most luxurious golf experiences anywhere in the United States, with limited daily tee times and private transportation for guests. Another well-known option is TPC Las Vegas, part of the PGA Tour's TPC network. This course features wide fairways, canyon views, and a layout inspired by the natural contours of the Red Rock region. It blends desert golf with professional level design, and has hosted multiple tour events. Closer to the Strip, Bali Hay Golf Club offers a different flavour, using tropical landscaping, bowling fairways, and lagoon-style water features right next to the major resort properties near Mandalay Bay. Its location makes it one of the most accessible full-scale courses for visitors staying on the main boulevard. Together, these courses, from the reimagined Wynn Golf Club to the world-renowned championship layouts, illustrates how Las Vegas has become a major golf destination. The variety, accessibility, and architectural ambition behind each course reflects the same spirit that shaped the resorts themselves: bold ideas, dramatic landscapes, and the experience designed to stand apart.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.